You will stumble, fail, and fall over and over again, but eventually you will rise and conquer. That's the essence of life. Without these challenges, life is just mere existence. Don't settle for simply existing. Choose to live. Inaction will cost you dearly in the long run, so make it your default to say, I'm going to take action. Rise up, face that challenge, and conquer it. Embrace what's difficult. The struggle is tough, but it's how you see it that matters. If you want true freedom in life, discipline is your key. Step boldly toward whatever challenge lies ahead. You might succeed, or you might not, but either way, you will grow. With each challenge, you become stronger and better prepared for what's next. Life will give you victories and defeats, successes and failures. There will be good and bad nights, strong and difficult relationships, brilliant ideas and flawed ones. You'll make money and you'll lose money. This is how life unfolds. But if you allow your emotions to swing wildly with every up and down, you'll struggle. Instead, accept your emotions, but don't let them control you. Keep fighting against the challenges that seem unbearable. It's tough, there's no denying that, but it's in the struggle that we grow. Moving forward despite the pain is what sets you apart. Don't let your excuses be the reason you miss out on everything you've ever dreamed of. Excuses might offer temporary comfort, but they won't help you grow and they won't lead you to success. It went wrong, it didn't work out. But it's not the fault of my boss, my partner, my parents, or even the weather. It's my responsibility. I own it, and I'm going to fix it. This is what true ownership means. When you examine your life, your work, your finances, your relationships, and your health, and you realize that any problems you face are within your control, it can be tough. It stings to admit that we are the ones standing in our own way. But when you strip away those excuses and confront the reality that you hold the power, it's both humbling and empowering. The more disciplined you are, the more freedom you gain. If you lack the discipline to care for your body and mind, you risk becoming a slave to poor health. Without the commitment to work hard and save, you risk becoming a prisoner to your finances. Without mastering your time, you may find yourself without the precious moments that make life rich and fulfilling. But when you cultivate self-discipline, when you choose to save wisely, work diligently, invest intelligently, and manage your time effectively, you set yourself on a path to true freedom. Imagine a life where your efforts pay off in every area, where each step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Discipline is not just about hard work, it's about creating a life of abundance, health, and fulfillment. You might stumble, face setbacks, or experience failure, but every effort you make builds a stronger, better you. So when you feel lost or unsure of the way forward, take that first step. Start moving. Your perspective will only shift once you begin to move. It's in the act of moving, trying, and pushing forward that we find our direction and purpose. Remember, staying where you are and doing nothing is not an option. Don't let this happen. It's crucial because, as men, we often don't get clear guidance on how to handle emotions or express them. Many men are struggling right now, facing challenges you may not see. Every human being goes through tough times, and you never know what someone else has endured. Repressing your emotions won't help, and letting them control your life leads to poor decisions. Being sad doesn't mean you should make choices you'll regret. Feeling sad or emotional is okay. It's a natural part of life. What matters is how you handle it. You acknowledge your feelings, manage them, and keep moving forward. Sometimes emotions will hit you hard, and that's okay. Just because you're feeling low doesn't mean something is wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with you. On the other hand, letting emotions steer your life can lead to decisions you'll regret, and it's easy to blame it on past pain. But remember, those are just excuses. It's time to stop using excuses. It's time to take control of your emotions. Face your challenges head on and keep moving forward. You have the strength to overcome anything. Remember, don't linger in doubt. You've got this under control. This is your life and you lead with confidence. When you focus only on the problem, you can't see the solution. So step back, detach from the chaos, detach from the disorder, let go of your emotions and silence your ego. This ability to distance yourself and evaluate the situation is the mark of a true leader. Any human trait, when taken to its extreme, can become a flaw. Whether it's masculine, feminine, or something else, imbalance always creates problems. Is it good to have no emotions at all? No, that's the mark of a sociopath. Is it good to let emotions dictate your every decision? No, that's not wise either. As human beings, as individuals, we should strive for balance. It's easy to swing to one extreme or the other. It's easy to say, I'll just turn off my emotions, or to get completely lost in them. But true strength lies in finding balance. It's not easy to find balance in business and life, but it's essential. Balance is crucial because, in the end, it's not just about us, it's about the team. When we are balanced, we are at our best. And when we're at our best, we all win. So seek balance, lead with clarity, and everything will fall into place.